Hello, welcome back again. I'm just showing you health and safety policy, how one can be constructed, and the information that you may need to have in it. Now remember that your company will have one of these already in place, so ask for a copy, okay? And this will formulate part of your portfolio as well. Now let me just move up a little bit, okay, so you can see the full context of what is within this policy statement. Hopefully I can keep it all within boundary. Okay. And here you have your risk assessment coming up as well. Now again, your risk assessment is necessary whenever, for whatever job you're doing or you're on. Okay. Okay, and I'm hoping that this will come out good on my screen once I play it back to see how it looks. Okay, because sometimes when you're videoing, it doesn't always look how you may like it to look. Okay, so bear with me. Okay, thank you. Let me just go back a little bit so we can catch anything I did not get before. Okay. I'll just pan across a little bit so we can get it larger, okay, as well. And I will go up, okay, so the information can be there, okay. I'll pan across as well, okay. I'll just go back again, just purely to recap, okay. Bring anything that you may feel that you couldn't see before, okay, and I'm hoping that will work. Yeah, and that brings us to our health and safety policy, okay. Thank you.